Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cheesecake. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and prepare a graham cracker crust. Press crumbs into a 9-inch springform pan and chill while you make the filling. Beat cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and sour cream until perfectly smooth. Pour into crust, bake in a water bath, cool slowly, and chill thoroughly for best texture before serving with fruit or sauce. Start by choosing a crust and gathering filling ingredients. Use crushed graham crackers or cookies with melted butter and press firmly into the pan. Ensure the cream cheese is room temperature for a lump-free filling and beat until smooth. Add sugar and eggs one at a time, then vanilla and sour cream for richness. For a no-bake version, fold in whipped cream with gelatin and chill until set for a silky finish. Use a water bath to protect your cheesecake from direct heat and to prevent cracks. Wrap the springform pan in foil and set it inside a larger pan with hot water reaching halfway up the side. Bake until the edges are set and the center still jiggles slightly, then turn off the oven and let the cake cool slowly with the door cracked. Chill thoroughly before unmolding and topping for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.